So here's Oliver. It's Saturday morning, and Daddy has given Oliver his own personal remote control, which he's very happy about. Hello, Baba. Where's your remote control? What can you control with that remote control? Can you show me how to program the video recorder? Because I haven't been able to figure it out for 5 years. Oh, that button. Oh, no. See, I never tried that button. Oh, and that one. Ah, right. Well, aren't you clever? Yes, you are. Clever and handsome. Clever and handsome. And noisy too. Hello? Yes. Dad! Where's Dada? Did Dada give that to you? Just for you. Hey. Dad. Where did it go? There it is. Got lots of hair now too. Look at all that hair. Look at all that hair. Hello, beautiful. Yes. Hey. Hey. Alright, well we might leave you to it then. Shall we come back and say hello later? Yes? Yes? Alright, bye then.